Hi folks, this is Gene and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to fell some old and dry trees. The leaves are fallen, so I can fell them. So I made this stump as short as possible. Looks like there was a tree, it was cut down and then a new tree grew out of it. This I will burn later when it's dry, and this goes to the recycling facility. So you see this tree is very old and sick. It does not give any berries anymore. This one was crooked and did not allow to dry through. And this one I don't need here. So the technique to fell a tree in a specific direction is to cut it on the side where it should fall to, like this, in the triangle, and to the opposite side a bit below, maybe 3-4 centimeters, depends on the thickness of the tree. And if it's a grown tree, it would fall down by itself and then I have to run. You see here they are not so old, and I'm trying to control the length so they don't fall and destroy anything. That's why I shortened them. Now you have to apply pressure from the opposite side, like this, and it falls down. See? Bam. So now I felled 3 trees, and if I would hire an expert lumberjack, I would pay 100 to 150 euro per each tree. So saved myself 300-400 euros. But those trees are small, so I can control the falling of them. and they are not too close to any structures. Anyway, got some firewood as well. I will cut it in chunks and put it to dry, and a whole lot of branches to bring away to the recycling center. The trailer is full of the branches and the crowns of the trees, and I must say I have never regretted to have both such a long trailer, 3.5 meters long. It saved me a couple of times transporting those branches and other materials. But this was it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Goodbye.